zela abagiyayo bayagiya madoda namhlanje usuku olukhulu namhlanje senzwe usuku olukhulu senza umlando wemoto kushuthi senza into engajwayelanga ukuthi yenzeke mfethu emsakazweni ukuthi silanda umuntu nje simlande ebukhoma simsondeze eduzana azosixoxela ngempilo yakhe ngejeni yakhe you know and we can't wait we are so excited kunemibuzo eyi14 abasibuze yona that esizombuza igugu lethu ke namhlanje uyigugu lethu namhlanje
you know I saw a video Mangete about Mr. Online, right?
Yes.
Nami ngazi kugugu lethu Chonco.
Sure.
However, mase ngithola ama number igama seliyashintsha, right?
Sure.
So ngifuna qala ngitshele le gama leli lamashaya imamba ngezwe ngifikela ukwesaba ukuthi ubali la so sisigugu ngicela nje ubulisa abalaleli usichazele ukuthi leli linye igama selibuya yaphi.
Ngibingelela abalaleli ekhaya ugugu lethu uphindaziwe ngelika gugu lamashaya imamba kuma socials ukuthi ngizibize ngogugu lamashaya imamba ochonco ke ogambusho shaya imamba so ke njengoba ngithi ngingugugu lamashaya imamba it's because I'm precious to all shaya imamba.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Asijwayelekile isibongo sakho angazi Mangete other than Lois nayo khona la okasizwa khona
alutho mfethu nje benginamanga mfethu hayi nginamanga.
So just to break the ice Gugu says I put on socials right ukuthi sinentombi into engalo kwa30 angeke ngisho iminyaka straight because ngiyazi abantu besifazane
abathandisisi mfethu ngomnyaka yabo
so sino Prudence Thando lwethu Mthembu uthe namakabuza uthi ukhone kanjani ukuzigcina aze abe mdala kanje wathi wow.
Okay, engathi ikona okungenze ngazigcina kuze kube manje ukuthi isekelo sobuntombi bami uNkulunkulu. So ke ezami inhlelo ngazibekele sami isikhathi safika sasadlula kwacaca ukuthi I am not in charge uNkulunkulu in charge. Yes.
Wow. Siyobuyela kuleyo inhlelo zakhe asichazele ukuthi uchaza ukuthini makho.
Kodwa ngithanda lena yokuthi kahle kahle umsuka wayo yonke le ndaba lena uNkulunkulu iphila yayo yonke lento lena uNkulunkulu because esikhathini esiningi abantu mebahamba le journey kuba ngathi nje into yesiko into yendabuko you know into kahle kahle eqhelile kahle kahle kancane kuNkulunkulu kodwa ke uyasiprovela wena ukuthi cha inobuNkulunkulu futhi le choice ozikhethele yona.
Ayadiba ke manje ama question ngiyathemba ready.
Ngiready.
Okay, sino Katleho Charlotte Sithola. Uthi firstly would like to say a huge congratulations.
Hayi lilizela lapho madoda. Yebo.
Uthi we don't say it but you are amazing and we are so proud of your self-control. The question is how do you deal with your sexual desires?
Yasicabanga lo muntu sengumjabulele kangaka mfethu besabuza umbuzo nje uthi udila kanjani nezinkani noma ukulangazelela ukuvela elizweni likanyama.
Okay, lokho ke kuhamba ne self discipline because kumele ukhethe ngaso sonke isikhathi kumele the greater good kube yona oyikhethayo more than obhekene nakho manje so ke ukuthi ngike ngikusho nakuma lives ami ukuthi ezukhulu umuntu esifazane discover umzimba wakho siyafika leso sikhathi ozwayo ukuthi okay ngiyafunction fully but then ke ipurpose yakho ke iyona ethatha over ukuthi kumele ke ngibheke ukuthi mina esami isimiso sithini and phela ke ngeke ukuthi ngoba naku umzimba wakho usuya responder then bese uthi usozokwenza noma kanjani ilapho ke discipline engena khona.
Kunenye inkulumo ekhulunywayo lana yesisuthu but you can't miss what you don't know. Uma bekhuluma besuthu bongwanesi ukagwa bathi into ongayazi angeke kwenzeke ukuthi uyikhumbule noma uyilangazelele. So kujeni yakho ijeni yokungazi like it's a journey of choosing to keep one side of your life as a mystery, as an unknown, as a surprise, yangelinye ilanga, according to uhlelo lwakho, you know. So so when it comes to sexual desires and finding you know, these pressing things ezenzakalayo on the peripherals, is it easy because awunayo that experience, or you would reckon ukuthi kuzoba nzima like it would be even emntwini onayo the experience?
I think if I desire would be limited, so ke udesign into ongayazi, therefore ukuthi ungazi entertain into ongayazi, I don't think it would make sense.
Uyayizwa le mpendulo.
So desire something that you have an idea ukuthi maybe izoba kanje,
Yeah.
but you have no idea ukuthi izoba njalo njengoba ucabanga na. So ke ukuthi ungenza I life decision based on into eyenzeka manje ungalazi kusasa likuphatheleni. I think that is what kept me ukuthi angeke ngize entertain into engibhekene nayo manje nengingekho ready ukubhekana nayo. Because I believed ukuthi ngisakhula ngisaseyingane njengoba ngisho ukuthi umzimba uya develop and then kube nalezo sikhathi la ozwayo ukuthi okay, ngiwumuntu normal, but ke I discipline ke nanokufundiswa ke njengoba ngiphansi kokuhlolwa kwentombi ngenhlanhla ke ngaba no mama ababekhululekile noma mama ongizalayo ke okhululekile ukuthi angitshela izinto ekumele ngizi expect kumzimba wami nanokuthi how to navigate ukuthi uma kufika that moment thola into positive ozoyenza ne productive ukwenzela ukuthi uzosusa umqondo wakho from le chaos esizama ukuthi izo attacka lobungcwele, because phela sikholelwa ukuthi ubungcwele and usathane kuhleze lwisana nobungcwele. So ke even if uku relationship siyafundisa ukuthi so that ungezuthemtheka musuba ku private space na whoever enzani show ukuthi ni ku public, so that kungezuba nesikhathi esiningi la nizogcina seniwela khona ekutheni nenze izinto engakabi ready noma engakazimisela ukuthi nizenze.
Kancane wemot. So basically in what you're saying is kulabo abanifundisayo, those who have gone ahead of you, abanolwazi olunzulu, they've never hidden this truth. Akusinto nje efihliwe akukhulunywa ngayo akuthintwa nje nokuthi kwenzakalani, but they tell you the gist of it and bese banixwashisa nokuthi nibalekela kanjani that situation.
Yes, kuhamba ngokwama age group, because angithi sikholelwa ukuthi information akumele iwele endlebeni ezirong. So ke a certain age, like from umuntu osemulile, we start having such talks nabo ukuthi okay kuzoba nesikhathi la kwenzeka ukuthi emzimbeni wakho and then this is how you deal with it. Uma kungukuthi uyafeel ukuthi maybe wena sewuqedile ngalolu hambo, because uhambo lomuntu nomuntu luhlukile kulomkhakha wentombo, omunye uthi mina ngilinda umemulo, omunye uthi ngilinde ukuthi ngithola ama degree or whatever. But ke ukudiscipline kuba nama talks ukuthi kuthiwe after kwi age ethile sesiyaqala sikhuluma nani ke manje sinitshela the core of being a woman ukuthi nama challenges ozobhekana nawo umzimba wakho nawo kuyiwona osukulwisa, how do you fight that?
Okay, that's dope.
So before ngena kulombuzo wokugcina, right, from ku Facebook, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi from game ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi yiple kule question noma I reaction eba isicefe you always get from people.
Ukuthi ngitshela ukuthi sengikhule enough nabazali bami bazo understand I biological clock, lezo zinto nje ziyangicika. I'm not chasing anything. I'm here to fulfill God's will ngempilo yami. So ke uma kungukuthi intando kaNkulunkulu ayingisi la bethi khona biological clock iyathika khona. I mean well ke ngumuntu olufunda iBhayibheli uElizabeth wayithola ingane at a later stage. Ngiyathanda namba nezingane, but it's not akuyona nje into Nkosi yami engasalala ebusuku ngenxa ukuthi ngina 38 anginangani, no, ngiyalala nje peacefully and ngikholelwa ukuthi kusamele ngakhi kusasa elingcono, because umsebenzi wami kulezi eintombini enginazo ukuthi ngiqinisekise ukuthi siba a better version of abazali bethu njengoba nababa a better version of abazali babo bese si provide a better future for a future generation. So ke uma kungukuthi sizolo sistake ekuthenini inyama yakhe ithini, why abazali bazo understand ingane, why kumele ngilethe ingane kwi environment engibona ukuthi angithandi nami ukuba kuyona. So let me better myself first, and then ke sesingabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukubekile yini kwezami incwadi zokuphila ukuthi ngizoba nayo ingane or not.
Family, we are still tuned and chilled with Uguguletu Chongco, and she's telling us about her life journey. You know, sizothi nje usithi nje shwe kancane ngoba the time is exactly 20:29. Bese uma sibuya ke sizoqhubeka ke ngale ngxoxo yethu, because there's an interesting video that's trending of I think it's a Zambian woman ofundisa abantwana ngezitho zabo. Khona there's a song engakhula abusisi bayicula bathi angiphathwa mina inkomo balokuba zika baba uyayazi mose bese insizwa sithi vuma sikuphathi, right? So this woman is singing the same song but ngesilungu. She's teaching abantwana, but labantwana laba ngathi baku grade 1 baku grade 2, and there was a backlash from abantu saying ukuthi labantwana ngathi they are too young, you know. So after the break, I want us to expand a bit on this.
Stay tuned and don't touch that dial.
Connect with us on our socials, Instagram at Hope Alive Radio, Facebook Hope Alive Radio, and Twitter Hope_Alive_Radio. #Hope Alive Radio.
We are indeed grateful to the Lord for having kept us, for having given us life. Nokuthi agcine udadewethu amsize to take this journey, because it's a mind-blowing journey. It's a difficult journey. A lot of us, we fell off the wagon. As usayikhulela mfowethu usathuthi uyibambela u16 u17 uvela ukhube kuwe, you know. And when you see stories like this
sokhuluma ngawe manje
cha baba musa phela mina bengile into ebizwa ukuthi yi-late bloomer mfowethu. Mina ngafunda isikolo ngaze ngasiqeda, ngafika kuma-matriculation ngandlulela ngale ngingakaze mfowethu ngiyibone intombazana mathupha sime kanje sibhekane kanje eziqwini zamehlo. You know, before we went to the break, you mentioned ukuthi kune information ngathi iyasefwa depending ukuthi age group yabantwana ihamba kuphi. There's this trending video of a Zambian woman who made a song afundisa abantwana ukuthi these are my private parts, this is my body, you shouldn't touch me in this way, uma ngithinta ngale ndlela ngizokureport. And the community, the people at large are saying ukuthi but the children are too young. And her answer was ukuthi I'm a rapist awalelanga. Abagada ukuthi umntwana usenapkenini noma uphumile napkenini, abagada ukuthi ku grade 5 or ku grade R. They bavele bagadle Mota, so what's your take on that in us sifundisa abantwana bethu more especially ngokuyigcina nokuthi bazi ukubaleka noma ukugcina izitho zomzimba wabo?
I response yakhe uthisha is valid. Mina I feel ukuthi is safe the information I share ile neingane ukuthi angithi vele njengoba esho ukuthi ama rapist awana ukuthi uneminyaka emingaki. So ke ziningi vele ingane kuyakutholakala ukuthi zimosheke zincane zithule kuze kutholakala mhlawumbe umuntu osemdala ose teenage. So ke ukwazi at that age ukuthi akufanele ngithintwe kulezi indawo uthisha abatshela ukuthi bangathintwa kuzona is valid. Kuyamangaza ukuthi kumhlaba kwaziwayo ukuthi ingane zihlukumezeka kangakanani ngaphandle abantu abenza ukungalunge einganeni kube ibona futhi abajika bathi information ehlomisa ingane ukuthi zibe aware ukuthi umuntu mayengithinta kanje akukho safe uyenza into engafanelekile.
Manje ngathi singenza nje sibhale nathi i-petition ukuthi masiphuma la emsakazweni sicela ukungathintwa. Sicela ukuthi singathintwa kule into sicela ukuyigcina Nkosi yami.
Maketha angifuni uxabana nonkosikazi wami ngifike ekhaya mfethu. Ungayezwa kodwa wena. So sisukuku ngifuna sibuyele eqaleni right ekujini yakho. Ngifuna ukwazi i-environment okhulele kuyona ekushape waba ulomuntu owuye. Nokuthi when were you introduced now kule jeno kuyo at what age?
Ngikhulele ekhaya ke elinomthetho bekwazi ukuthi kwaMasibiya intombi zakhona ziyathembisa bese ziyashada okusho ukuthi ke vele ziyazigcina zizefika emshadweni because mawuthembisile uzigcina uzofika emshadweni kwakungahlolwa ke into okuhlola ngasekhaya ibingaziwa kangako kangangokuthi ukhona intombazana engayithi untombi kayiswa kaMdlalose wayehamba yedwa ayekude ukutravel ukuthi ayemhlangeni mina ngiqabukele la eGoli into okuhlolwa umamncane wami wayazi ukuthi bengifisile ukuthi ngihlolwe noma ekukhuleni kwami angithi mawuyingane ukhula abantu bekubona bebe nomona ugcina usuthukwa ngezinto kwenzela ukuthi khona abazali bakho bezophoxeka emphakathini so ngakhula nginalelo shwake lengane ekhulunywa kabi not ukuthi ngangiphaphe kakhulu lokho seku out of hand ngangiphila nje njengezinye izingane kodwa ke igama lami lalihlezi liphezulu so nangesikhathi sengenzela umemulo ekhaya kwaba umemulo nje abantu abanye babesha ukuthi bayeza phela ngoba into yasemndenini ayikho into abangayenza but lengane ayikhulunywa kahle so kwahlala kimina kuyingcebe ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngiyohlolwa kangangokuthi before kwenze umemulo ngangifisa ukuthi ngiye kwaNkosi kwangubane because inkosi yethu ngubane so ngifisa ukuyohlolwa kwasho ukuthi ke umthetho uthi uma intombi size yafika kaNkosi ukuzohlolwa ngoba ithukiwe kukhokhwa inkomo ilala phansi ivuswa ngenkomo kube nenkomo yokugeza isigodlo senkosi bese kuba nenkomo yokugeza umuzi so ke laba babengithukile kwakumele bakhiphe lezi inkomo ngenxa ke ukusasakhelene ke kwanxenxwa ke abazali bami ukuthi hayi bayacela ukuthi ngoba sakhelena kusukwenzeka lokho so umemulo wami wayinto edumu kanjalo nje but ke mangifika la eGoli umamncane ke usashona may her soul rest in peace
so ufika at what age?
Ngifika ngina 17 la eGoli so ke at 18 ke umamncane angitshela ukuthi bekufika abantu baseGoli la bahamba nezintombi ezihlolwayo use interested yini ukuthi phela ngithi naye kumele check angaze angiqhathe nobaba kanti mhlambe sengimoshakela abuzo sase interested yini ukuyohlola ngithi yes interested bangiyalele ngitshela ukuthi iGoli ngalihamba angazi kangaki ngihamba upresident ngiqale from a small street ngehle ngiyofika ezansi ngase kubizwa ngeNewtown ngiphinde ngibuye futhi ngizofika end ngifuna nje le ndawo because mangike ngabuyele emuva kushuthi kubazali bami sengibatshela ukuthi ngiqamba mangathi ngiyohlolwa ngishuthi sengiyazi ukuthi ngigangile ngagcina ngitholile ke indawo yokuhlolwa that was 2005 so ke ngaqala lapho ukuhlolwa uqala kwami emhlangeni was 2006
kushuthi uqala ukuya emhlangeni usuna 18 usuna 19 now because ufike una 17 what 18 okay all right what I'd like to know and mhlawumbe uzosifundisa sonke because we've heard so many times ukuthi into yokuhlola i-right kodwa ayikho right. Kunabantu that are for it, kunabantu that are not for it, because khona bathi kahle kahle ngathi ukulinyazwa noma ukunyukubezeka kwama-rights wabantwana when it comes to this process, right? Sikhule thina sidlala no dadewethu sigibela amabhayisikili. So they would explain ukuthi uma kuhlolwa ngisho umuntu wesifazane kuhlolwa i-hymen, kuhlolwa ukuthi sese intact, ukuthi ayikakaphuki. So kodwa kuproviwe many times before ukuthi ngisho nokuligibela ibhayisikili kwesikhathi liyakwazi ukuthi limlimaze umuntu wesifazane kuleyo ndawo leyo, kube ngathi ulahlekelwe ubuntombi kanti cha. You know, so banolwazi olunzulu kangakanani kakhulukazi those that undertake ukuhlola.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ke angithi uma kusaqalwa wonke umuntu wayazi nje ukuthi kubhekwa lokho, but ke ngokuqhubeka kwesikhathi kwayakushintsha befunda more ngomzimba womuntu wesifazane, so bayakwazi nokukubona ukuthi umzimba wakho nje ngoba bewusesikhathini noma uzoya esikhathini noma kusemva kuba kade usesikhathini. So zonke ngendlela esebefundiseke ngayo nomehlo bethu, ngingasho ngithi abukho ubugebengu engathi
baphinde obani onomehlo Nkosi yami
ukhona ozosithola unomehlo.
Madoda, so thanda lelo gama.
Ngifuna ukwazi now uku-18 una 18 ngiya understand some of the things ezikuphushele now ukuthi wenze lokho okwenzile because inkulumo ezinye ikhole engakuphathi kahle, right? But ngifuna ukwazi now maso ungenile yini lo uyithandayo and ekuyithandeni ayiphambana mhlambe nenhlelo onazo usikhulume ngenhlelo ele on maybe bekuyini inhlelo ngempilo yakho mhlambe bofuna ukuya nje uyohlola for that one time.
Exactly. That was the case. Ngangifuna nje ukugeza igama lami kubazali bami ukuthi bazi ukuthi cha ngesikhathi bengibonisa ngangiyintombi namanje ngisaseyintombi ngiqeda isikole nje ngingakagangi. But ke mawufika bese ufika uzizwe wamukelekile wenza abangani abasha. And then ke bese ke uyithanda nalento isintu ke ekhaya njoba ngithi sikhulele ekhaya elikholwayo into yesintu kangako bese ngekho kangaka angilwazi uthanda ukuthi lwaqhamukapi kodwa ngazithola sengiyithanda futhi sengiyi more invested ukuthi ngiyafisa ukwazi more and ngiyafisa ukuthi njengoba kunobukhosi ngiunderstand ukuthi bubaleke ngani ubukhosi empilweni yomuntu ophilayo ikakhulukazi nje ke njengoba ngiwumZulu kusho ukuthini kimi ukukhonza inkosi kusho ukuthini kimi ukuyokhuleka ekomkhulu esigodlweni. So ke ngagcina ke sengihlala ngenhlanhla ngesikhathi ngiqala vele ngangekho kwakungekho nani ukuthi mhlawumbe khona iboyfriend enginayo bengithithizela nje kahle kahle isikhathi esiningi. So ke enhlelweni enganginazo ngangakabi nayo boyfriend. Yeah.
Donsi ani legama bengilindile ile boyfriend. So kuya boyfriend eka ngapha ibuntombini.
It's exhausting. It's not necessary.
Unande kancane kancane athi usho.
It's draining. Because angithi siphila in a very sexual world. It's very sexual. And umuntu mayehlangana nawe the first thing how usase intombi then ke sekuyiyona into kasegcile ukuthi mina ozombreak. It's exhausting. It's not worth. Ngiyaxolisa nje ngiyazi bakhona indlela zethu uNkulunkulu uzibhale ngokuhlukahluka but nje mina ngiyangikhathaza lento ama boyfriend.
Now would you say ukuthi as much as kufundiswa intombi ngokuthi zizigcine, would you say ukuthi the same thing should happen to foreign insizwa? Because I think manje with what you just explained now ukuthi when this is the choice that you've made, but kurre ukuthi uhlangane nomuntu wesilisa honor the same choice, honor the same thinking that you have. Yena nje uvela bene goal lokuthi wophulwa yimba
mangethi ulibe uyasifaka sizokule yazi uyasifaka
uthi siphume la. Yabona usuthathe lo mbuzo wami yamana ungitshontshele lo mbuzo wami.
No, ayingiyakhumbula.
So my question was ukuthi do you think ukuthi ku necessary ukuthi nabafana bafundiswe because ngathi kunalento lena ukuthi sifundisa amantombazana kuphela kodwa abafana sibafundisi and abafana yibo kahle kahle abaphethe ikhiya zokuphula.
Well, ake ngithi ngoba lukhona uhlelo lwaseNdlunkulu lokubuthwa kwabafana. Anginalo kulwazi olujulile ngenxa ukuthi akukho that out there njengesiko lokuhlolwa kweintombi. So if mangaba mangathola iexposure sitholayo nathi abantu bangabona ukuthi okay kanti mangine ngane nomfana ngayithatha nami yobuthwa so that izokhuliswa ngendlela eright. Singeze ufraze kunzima ukuba uthola umuntu wesilisa avele nje akasafuni nanokwazi ukuthi udlile yini ufuna nje le yanto ukuthi nje imina nje engizothatha le.
Nidlala esikakade nesikagundwane.
But I think lo mbuzo ubalekile, right? Ngoba into engiyibone iba imbalance. Uthi kuye kube kuhle ukuthi when sipreach ukuthi abantu besifazane bazigcine. Ngaba kuhle ukuthi nathi ngaphensizweni kube kanjalo so that noma umuntu ozohlangana naye nibe niku same attitude about nama experiences ngoba uyibona maso ushadile ukuthi yazi yasiza lento ukuthi ama experiences abe less for both parties uyaybo. So hopefully amhlambe ekhambeni kwesikhathi ngoba inzima la kithi ensizweni ngoba ubunsizwa ngesinsikhathi kuye kugaxela ukuthi
kumele ukuphume.
Yes, ngesinsikhathi kugaxela ukuthi uke waba nabantu abangakanani
nokuthi ubreaker kangakanani.
Yeah.
Breaker kangakanani kuyabuza naloko kumele kungene na ku CV. Umotha ubuza umbuzo ngakayizwa impilo la khona ukuthi inhlelo zakho bekuyiziphi and then wasuyithola sokulo hlelo lolu obeliever ukuthi ilolo la kaNkuluNkulu for impilo yakho.
Okay, ngiyenga ngumuntu ke umchallenger uNkulunkulu sometimes.
Okay.
So at 25 ngangitshela ukuthi ayike ngoba sengiqedile ngoba sengi right. Thenje mazithi 23 24 hayi kokoma ngase Sahara Desert ngangashelwa nje ngahamba nje yabo ngingabikho nothi hi and yabo angithi ingqondo wena utshela ukuthi hayi ngishawa umoya but mase ngibuka back manje ngamehla manje ngibuka mina ukuthi uNkulunkulu kahle wayethi it's not my time yet but mina ngangitshela ukuthi ngishawa umoya futhi kwaze kwaphuma nasengqondweni nami ukuthi ngangitshela ukuthi at 25 tema idlula 25 ngathi okay 30 njenge birthday yami wafika u30 nakhona sasikade singathi siyazama naye sengize ngatshela noma ukuthi awubathi kukhona umuntu kanje othi ay wathethe yabozuma ngathi angimazi nokuthi washona phi yazi and into ke njoba ngithe kaNkulunkulu ukuthi akuna epic breakup akuna kuthi sesiyazondana nje uvula umuntu wakhona inyamelalele nami ngingabinandaba ukuthi uhambile so what bye. Yeah, so ke yikho ngithi enhlelweni ebenginazo uNkulunkulu manje mangibuka ngehlo la manje but back then vele kwakuba nalobo buhlungu ukuthi hawu ngoba ade ngithi is right bengithi sihamba sonke futhi sikhuluma ngenhlelo zekusasa kwajikapi. So ke vele ke kuzoba khona lokho kuphoxeka naloko kuzwe enhlizweni ukuthi hawu akwangaba mnandi ukuthi senyamalele naye but mangibuka manje ngikubuka mina ngamehlo ke sengibuka kuwo kusigaba engikusona ngithi uNkulunkulu usholi wayengikhipha la.
Amen.
Sure.
Ngicela siye kule video ngibone kuyona right.
Okay.
Ngicabanga ukuthi siyaya camp maybe usichazele kabanzi ukuthi bekwenziwani lapho mangabe khona okulungiswayo ulungiselelwani into ekanjalo.
Isiyaya camp ke camp la kusokuhlangane khona intombi angithi ke mase sise emhlangeni kuba nenhlelo kezahlukahlukene so on Sunday kuba nesigaba la intombi esinela phone esuke zisinela imbube ngokwama regionals. So ke nathi ke siyigoli siyaye sibe nosiyaya ukulungiselela lokho nanokuthi ke singama group sibona ukuthi intombi ezihambayo ziphelele yini kwimvunulo bese zifundiswa ke because angithi phela khona nezintsha mhlambe ezijoinile unyaka uhamba so zifundiswe ukuthi mawusufikile esigodlweni ubehavior kanje awukwenza ukuthi awuhambi kanje yonke leyo nto leyo so ke usiyaya inhloso yawo ukuthi kusuke kulungiselela ukuthi siye emhlangeni so kumele sipractice sokusina for imbube bese siyabafundisa isimilo sokuthi mawususe esigodlweni awuvele nje wenze noma kanjani awumemezi awu nezithomba zithathwa mawuphakathi esigodlweni mangabe kungikuthi usendaweni la imbubu ihleli khona phansi awutholakala umile ephuhle kumele umesa kugoba ukuhloniphisa ukuthi khona umuntu omkhulu phakathi kwenu ama umbrella wavulwa so nje izinto ezinjalo esuke ifundiswa.
And then maybe what are some of the values now mhlawumbe siwaphethe agcizelelwayo eintombini nje manifikile enhlangene
ngesikhathi saqala thina into yayishunyalwa nje isikhathi esiningi ukuthi sivikeleka kwizifo and what kodwa njengamanje ama values esetholakala ukuthi akusekona about ukuthi abstain from ucansi but abstain any substance ezokwenza ukuthi uthathe inqubo ungekho sober minded and bese kugqugquzela ukuthi intombi zifunde zizimele so ke ngesikhathi ungana any because mawungabe ungakabi nangane ungenamnyeni awuna any responsibility except yourself and nabazali bakho because phela ibusizo zakho iqhamuka kubazali so ke ngesikhathi ke usase uwe nje osazibhekile sebenza ke zama ukuthi wenze ikusasa elingcono ukwenzela ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi asikwazi ukuthi abazali bethu bebe ngcono kunabazali babo bese thina sibe worse than sibe worse than abazali bethu sibe worse for izingane zethu so ke basuke intombi zifundisa ukuthi ama choices abawenza akuba ama choices azoba better for the future ukwenzela ukuthi nanoma yipi challenge ngoba sesiphile emhlabeni la i-divorce nje sekuyinto ngazi ukuthi ushadela ukuthi udivorce so ke makuukuthi kufika isigaba esinjalo mususala stranded futhi mususala ukhangezile ukuthi usushawa umhlaba ke ngoba sekulahlile lo muntu obakade kushada sala ukwazi ukuzimela sala ukwazi ukunakekela uNkulunkulu bese kubusisile ngeingane kwazi ukuzinakekela so ke ukuhlolwa kukodwa akusabhekelele ekuthenini uvikeleke ezifweni zocansi kuphela kodwa kubhekelele nanokuthi uthola isikhathi sokuthi zakhe wena zidiscover wena kuqala before ungazicommit to anyone else ukuze kuthi noma usukwazi ukukhetha umnyeni ukwazi ukumkhetha ingqondo yakhe isimatured enough.
I think in retrospect what you're saying is this has revealed your purpose kahle if ever mhlambe ufike nawo ungayazi injongo yakho uthe mawufika lapha yayiphutha under a spotlight and then kwaba clear because sihlale sikhala ngokuthi i-divorce rate ikhoswa ukuthi mhlambe abantu abazwani or mhlambe kuba nalento ukuthi phela uthando or whatever but what you are revealing is if you don't know yourself and you go and ube nomuntu uyibophelele emntwini wena ungakazazi vele it might confuse your journey in that person because when a self so what you are being taught there is ukuthi self-worth uzaziqala wena ukuthi ugogo ngubani and why ugogo is she on earth you know I think ngoba ngenxa yesikhathi sizoyivala la but I want you to ngifuna ukuthi ukhulume nentombi ukhulume nentombazanyana ekulalele manje ngifuna ukuthi ukhulume na a young lady who's 17 18 usayigcinile but bekayigcinile yena nje you know but I would like you to speak to that young woman directly and tell her what's the next step that she should take in order for her life to be exactly what she wants it to be in with regards to her keeping herself.
Okay. Engingakusho kunanoma yipi intombi elalele njengamanje ukuthi okubalekile ukuthi awenza ngichoice wrong ngokuthi ukhetha ukuzigcina. Umhlaba might say outdated and what or kube ngazi ukuthi wenzele social media because ne social media nayo inakho kumoshayo but ke wena zazi wena ukuthi njengoba ula entombini yini ofuna ukuyiachieve yini ofuna ukuphuma uyiphethe awukwazi ukuthi uthi kadula entombini uphume empty handed because kuningi ongakuzuza from ukuzidiscover wena uyintombi to ukuthi uze udiscover iprofession unesikhathi sonke to discover yourself fully before ungacommit yourself to anyone and kumele understand ukuthi njengoba sizintombi akuthina sonke sidalela umshado singawudalelwe kumshado akusho ukuthi uma ngenzeka ke kufike ekuthenini njengoba mina ngithi at 25 ngangizibekela ukuthi ngobe sengihlule ngobe sengishiya indima engihambayo akusuthi ke mawusuyishile uthi izimbiwe insele yayishiya wena sewulala nanoma yini ukuba kwakho kulokuhlolwa kweintombi ulafo ukuthi uzofunda self control self respect ne self discipline ukuthi nanoma yipi decision oyithatha i-decision engamele kube ukuthi ubhekelela manje kodwa ubheka ukuthi kusasa ubheka back uzobu happy now ukuthi usithathile leso sinqumo and ikayikho into ebhlungu njengokuthi uthatha isinqumo uthi usuwedwa uzibethela ukuthi but kuku you could have done better kukubungenza i-decision engcono kunalo yenza oyenzile so ke ukuba la entombini kuzokusiza to avoid such conversation with yourself la ozibethela khona ukuthi ukube bengithathele isinqumo impilo yami ngaba yikho nje so ke intombi nentombi ayikwazi ukuthi bese intombini bese igcwala ama regrets ngempilo yayo
ngiyasho ukuthi le Jen uphethe isipillion ngayo ngoba ulwazi onalo kodwa before sivala namhlanje mangethe sinama camera into engajwayelekile yabona ama size studio scam nokukama ngoba siyaza akekho umuntu ozosibona
mfethu namhlanje
kodwa
basisurprise
namhlanje so sicela sitshele ukuthi kwenzakalana urivele la uhamba khona nje kunama camera
ngisho ngibe celebrity
madoda
ngiyadlala
kuku wethu
okay ubhuti ngihamba naye ubhuti lakhe wakakhoza une show engohambo lweintombi eba ku SABC 1 last time yayingena ngo 6:30 so angazi ke lesizini ezongena ukuthi izobe ingoba nesikhathi so ke la uveza uhambo lwethu ukuthi from ama camp to umemulo to imhlonyana to imkhosi nje yasendlunkulu in general so ke uyaye ahambe lapho sihamba khona sizintombi ukwenzela ukuthi azosigcinela umlando wethu ukwenzela ukuthi kungathi mangabe sesiphumile entombini umlando ushabalale kube khona something about refer to ukuthi uma sisiguga kwazi ukuhamba azafike to this age or kanti umntombi aphelele ekhambeni umkhosi omhlangano umkhosi wasesandlwana uyahanjwa nomkhosi welembe uyahanjwa yonke imkhosi yasendlunkulu so ke izo zonke izinto akazicollectayo and then bese ke kuba neshow ku SABC 1 yikho ke la uthe mayeza ukuthi ngimenyiwe wathi uyafisa ukuthi azothola ukwenzela ukuthi in case akufake kusizini elandelayo
all right manje ke umlaleli uma efuna ukukuthola ngoba ngokuzwela ugcwele unolwazi nje olunzulu and I'm sure ukuthi a lot of abantu besifazana abantu besilisa abakulalele might want to have you ngelilanga either as a guest either as a guest speaker you know either as an esteemed guest for whatever reason uma abantu befuna ukukuthola ungubani kuma socials nokuthi bakuthola kuphi nje
okay kuma socials wami wonke ngingugugula amashayimamba chonco so gugula amashayimamba chonco and then ke phone number kumele ngibanike
cha uma ufuna ukubanika ungabanika i-email
okay i-email yami ugugulethu 0421 @gmail.com gugulethu 0421
yeah
khona i-voice note engenile nje manje yeah simkhiphe nje ngayo
okay
evening everyone ngiyanibulisa lapha e-studio kuma Hope Alive igama lami uNtombi Nkosi ngwakamtshali first of all ngithanda ukubulisa usisigugu man mfethu
hayibo
I'm so proud of you
ngiyabonga
I've been there I know the pressure and the challenges that comes with one preserving her virginity, especially in our community.
Yes.
It's not every day that you get abantu who will ploy you, you know, but instead kuba the opposite part. But nje, we thank the Lord to have such people of your caliber in our community, that nje, it gives us hope for the future of our young girls. Best of luck for the future, and may God bless you. Ngihlala enxiweni.
Ngiyabonga
so
kakhulu
much.
kumamtshali.
Wow, Siyabonga, thank you so much for that beautiful message. Sizokhapha ke udadewethu ke sikhethile ingoma lana ika Romeo no Juliet, and I'd like to share this prayer with you ukuthi sengathi in your journey that you've started, uNkulunkulu ahambe nawe all the way. And sengathi can grant you all the desires of your heart.
Amen.
And I also want you to remember ukuthi uNkulunkulu akawadli amandla endoda. If God intends, if God walks with you a mile, He will definitely make sure that He rewards you for the good work that you've done. You know, sengathi angagcina njalo akunikeze konke okulangazelelayo. Asithathe uRomeo no Juliet.
Ngiyabonga.